Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of your car's engine misfiring and stumbling like it's about to quit on you? Well, I've got the solution right here, the complete distributor fit for Nissan 1994 to 2015 from ADMCXFY, and it's a total game changer. This distributor is the key to unlocking a smoother, more powerful ride, and I'm excited to share with you why. With its easy setup and quick assembly, you'll be back on the road in no time, feeling the rumble of the engine purring like a contented beast. The precise cylinder block mounting allows for direct replacement of faulty parts, making it a breeze to disassemble and assemble without significant adjustments to engine bay wiring, and that means less hassle and less expense for you. This distributor withstands high temperatures and vibrations in the engine bay, ensuring stable internal signal transmission and reducing driving problems such as misfires and weak acceleration, giving you a sense of confidence and control behind the wheel. It balances ignition timing for each cylinder, optimizing fuel combustion and mitigating power loss and abnormal exhaust emissions, and that means you'll feel the difference in the way your car responds to your touch. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's a top-rated product that really delivers. When you're driving with a faulty distributor, you can feel the stutter and stumble of the engine, but with the complete distributor fit for Nissan 1994 to 2015, you'll experience a smooth, quiet ride, with the engine humming along like a well-oiled machine. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating tight city streets, this distributor will give you the performance and reliability you need, and that's why it's a must-have for any car owner. So why settle for a subpar driving experience when you can have a top-notch one with the complete distributor fit for Nissan 1994? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.